Hello YouTube, just an update. There are going to be some unboxings in a few days, so just bear with me. Today I'm just going to talk about the transmission on this car and what I'm going to be doing. I said in earlier videos that I was considering going with a manual transmission, converting it over using a Ford Probe GT transmission. And after going through the research and everything, it'll be better for me just to stick with the automatic I have and just modify the automatic so it can handle the extra power. I came across this decision because I looked up the probe transmissions, and they're just as weak as the transmissions in this car right here. They don't handle that much horsepower, and they don't handle that much torque. And after going through the pros and cons, I couldn't find really that many aftermarket parts for the manual transmission that can beef it up so it can handle the extra strain I'm going to put on it. But fortunately for this transmission, there's plenty of rebuild kits that are modified to handle more torque and horsepower. They also have high stall torque converters and such. So it's better for me just to go with the automatic. That's all I wanted to say on this. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to this page. Click the bell so you can get all the upcoming videos coming. And there's more to be coming. Until then, I see you.